I am on a quest to make the best vegan pancakes in the world. First, I need to figure out what makes a good pancake. I've broken this down into 4 ingredients: taste, fluffiness, toppings, and ease. I'm going to make 3 of the most popular recipes online, rank them in these categories, and see which pancake will take the title of World's Best Vegan Pancake. Okay, we're starting strong with a recipe that already claims to be the world's best vegan pancake. I've got to admit I'm skeptical because there's only 4 ingredients in it. But you know what? Sometimes the simpler the better. Let's try it out. So I added all the dry ingredients into a bowl, added some soy milk and mixed. And that's it. Seriously, that's it. So I've let the batter sit for about 20 minutes. This is supposed to help with fluffiness as it gets time for the gluten in the flour to relax. Okay, so the pancakes are cooked, and I gotta say these are thick, like really thick, so I'm quite intrigued by this. First up is taste, so let's just go in with a dry bite, no toppings, and just see how it is. No, that's not good. It just doesn't really taste of anything. For taste, I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5. It wasn't good. It's gonna rely completely on the toppings. So there we go. Fluffiness test next. And these, I gotta say, they do look quite fluffy. They really expanded when they cooked. You see inside, like it is actually quite airy. It's not too dense. So let's have another taste and see. These are quite fluffy actually. So out of 5, I'm gonna give it a 4. 4 for fluffiness. Good start. Next is toppings. Now for toppings, I'm going to make it like the ability to hold a topping like syrup without becoming like a slushy, disgusting mess. Voila! This syrup has been on it for about 4 or 5 minutes, so let's try it. Do you know what? That's actually stayed intact pretty well. I'm going to give that a 5. Can't complain about that at all. 5 out of 5 for toppings. Very good. And for ease, I think we can all agree it's a 5 out of 5. 4 ingredients, 2 minutes to prepare, 5 minutes to cook each one. No problem at all. Next up, we have fluffy vegan banana pancakes from Nora Cooks. This recipe has a bit more to it, but I'm intrigued how fluffy these pancakes will actually be. Okay, pancake 2 is made. It's a lot less thick than the last one. It just kind of looks like a regular thin pancake. So first up is the taste test. So I've got a plain pancake here, and I just want to taste it for all its glory. You can definitely taste like the banana in it, but it's not like overpowering. It's just like a subtle hint of banana, which is quite nice. So for taste, I'm going to give it 3. The banana's carrying it. Yeah. Next up, fluffiness. One more taste for fluffiness. Do you know what? The fluffiness isn't bad. Usually banana pancakes are like really dense and kind of just gross, but these are not like that. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. I feel like it could do a little better, but it's already doing pretty well. We've got our one with topping. It's got syrup and chia seeds, and it's been on for a couple of minutes. Here it looks like there's actually some damage, so I'm gonna go in at this point and see how it tastes. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of taking the integrity of the pancake down. 1 for toppings. It's really just like disintegrated into it. And the ease, I'm gonna give it a 2 because it wasn't super complicated, but when it came to cooking it, The first couple of pancakes kind of just like broke apart when I tried to flip them. So our final competitor is the Fluffiest Vegan Pancakes by Tasty. This recipe starts out the same, but has one ingredient I've never seen in any pancake recipe before. Okay, so our third pancakes are made and ready. First off, taste. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to it. There's no like, you know, in the last one was like a hint of banana, and this one is just kind of nothing. So you can't taste the vinegar in it at all, which is a relief. I'm gonna give this a 3 for taste. It's nothing fancy, but it's also like, it can still stand up on its own. Next up, fluffiness. No, I wouldn't say it's the fluffiest. I'm gonna give it a 3. You know, not terrible, but still definitely has room for improvement. So now we're on to our next one, toppings. The syrup has been on for a few minutes, just like the others. So let's try this out. Yeah, that's totally fine. Not slushy at all. Out of 5, I'm gonna give this 5. Can't complain at all. Lastly, ease. It wasn't hard to make, just putting them all together, whisk it up, you know what I mean? But when I was baking it, like, it certainly, like, didn't bind as well together in the pan. I'm gonna give it a 2 for ease. Winning by 1 point is competitor number 1, which was titled the World's Best Vegan Pancakes. It retains its title. It really is the World's Best Vegan Pancakes. Oh my god! Congratulations! Thank you very much for watching my video. I've linked all the recipes in the descriptions below, so try them out for yourself, see if you agree with me, see if you disagree. Tell me I'm wrong if you want, I don't mind. And if you enjoy learning as much as I do, then check out my previous video where I learned to speed read in 1 day. Okay, thanks very much, bye!